Hey everybody, it's John again from Gasper's Automotive Restoration, and I'm doing a quick video here showing you, this is actually something I'm volunteering for. I belong to a truck and bus museum here in Connecticut, and this part is something that I removed from the bus today. It's called a radius rod, and it's a 1965 GM Fishbowl city service bus. It's really cool, and I'm just going to show you how I'm going to make a pusher to push the old bushing out, which is right here, and it's really bad. As you can see, it's just completely destroyed, and we're going to put this brand new bushing right in there where that one goes. But in order to remove that, we have to push this out with a pusher, so I'm going to make one out of plastic. So stay tuned. Nope. No, it's not working. Nope. Almost had 10 tons on it. Well, that didn't work.
There you go.
I think I got it.
Yep.
Is it moving?
It's moving, but I think, yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's really moving. Yep, it's coming. Get your right.
There we go. Now we got the bushing out. Now we got to put the new one in. All right, everybody. So this is a continuation of the bushing issue on the early 1965 GM bus that we're working on for the Fire Museum. And this is the radius rod here. Now you saw before we had a problem with the pusher trying to remove that bushing. We had to get in there with a grinder. We removed it. So what I did was I went in there and cleaned. After this is removed, I cleaned this ID that's in here. We took all the pieces out and got this cleaned, and we're gonna reuse the dog bone here, and we're gonna push this new bushing in right here. And if you remember that plastic bung that I made up there on the lathe to try to push out the old one, it was too soft for that, but I returned it down and made it fit over the bushing. We had a little recess here. It fits right over it, and this is gonna push this thing right in. Gotta make sure you get this centered on the press whenever you're pressing something. We're almost down there. Got to go into low range here. Now we want this bushing, this edge flush. I think that's about it. Let's check it out. Just about flush. We need a little more. We need a little bit more. So we're going to put a ring down here, and we're going to give that bushing a place to go. It's right on there. Get this centered and right back down. I think that's it. Centered. Maybe a little bit, no, a little bit back. A little bit back the other way. Nice. Ready to go back on the bus. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe and keep that old iron running.